Hello everybody. If you have a vacuum cleaner that has a power head on it, it could be something like this or like this one, which has a light on the front of it. You may have experienced frequent failures of that light bulb because it's a filament style incandescent, and these vibrate a lot and they're bumping into a lot of things, so the filaments eventually fall off and the lights don't work any longer. So I solved that problem, and I basically replaced my filament incandescent style lamp with a LED lamp. I bought it on AliExpress. You need one that's rated 110 volts AC. This one happens to have 78 LEDs, and it's quite bright, and I think it'll last quite a while. So with the housing on it, put the cover back on. Give you a better view. But it's much brighter than anything I've ever had. Unfortunately, I don't have a way of simultaneously showing you the LED version versus the incandescent, but here's the incandescent lamp on this other power head. It's nowhere near as bright as the LED. The spec for the bulb in terms of size is a BA15, so that stands for bayonet 15, and the D stands for double contact. You might see it listed as a DC, so BA15 DC, bayonet 15 double contact, and I will leave a link below, at least for the part that I bought on AliExpress. So that's my tip for you today. If you found this video helpful or informative, please give me a like, thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.